Good morning, YouTube. It is your girl, Mandy Mays. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please like and subscribe. Alright, guys. So I got the box of Mary Maniology. I am so excited. I did put a short on to show you guys that this video is coming soon. So it is finally here, guys. I'm just getting out my swatching sticks because I know there's going to be polishes. So yeah, guys, I am just, gosh, I know it's been a while since I've uploaded, probably since the October Maniology box. It's just been really hectic. I got a promotion. Sorry, I have my masks hanging below. Anyways, so I got a promotion at my job. I got the position. I am going to be in dispatch and I will be starting training in 2 weeks. I am so excited and blessed, and I just feel so just relieved to finally be able to go more up in the company. It's still low up, it's not like management or anything like that, but it is the next step, you know, and it's more experience under my belt. Alright, guys, so we are gonna get started with the box of Mary of Maniology. And of course they have a cute freaking sticker. So cute. It's Holly Critters Cuddle. Look at that. Isn't that cute? And don't mind me, I took off my Halloween nails. I did do a short on my costume. I was not very impressed with it. I didn't really like it. It's kind of unprepared. I had a lot of stuff that day going on, so kind of got ready in a hurry. So, but yeah, I took off my nails Saturday because I just had to, like, they were like way too long. I'm going back to my short almonds, so I will be putting on some tips probably this week, but yeah, so don't mind my nails. But anyway, so yeah, that's the cute little sticker they give you. And then of course they have the Box of Mary countdown book. All right, so let's get started, guys. So in a realm far north where snowflakes beam, legends whisper of the northern gleam, a light that dances across the skies, seen once a year by creative eyes. One Manny muse with polish-stained hands set out to find these distant lands. Without stamping tools, but her heart aglow, she followed where the gleam would go. All right, so this is number 1, guys. Through frosted woods with quiet grace, she met bright creatures in a snowy place. Foxes, seals, and reindeer too, all etched in winter's storybook view. All right, let's see what number 1 has to offer. All right, oh, look at the packaging. It is so cute. I love the packaging. Super cute. Okay, and number 1 is a stamping plate. It is the Maniology M638. And don't forget, these are exclusive, I think, some of these stuff. I think they start like selling them on the store once like they're once the box comes out and stuff, maybe. But looks like there is polar bears and penguins and foxes, like it says. Sorry, this is like so hard. Holly and Crittles Cuddle, snowy season greetings. Sorry, it's hard to read, but yeah, this is super cute. Okay, like that's what it looks like. If you guys could see. Okay, so that's number 1. I really like the packaging. Okay, so number 2, a shimmer beneath the icy crust revealed a tool made of crystal dust. With gentle hands, she swept with care and left her nails pure, smooth, and bare. So let's see what number 2 is. Where is number 2? I feel like it's Christmas, you guys. I love these boxes. I love it for Halloween, and I love it for Halloween and Christmas because I just feel like it's Christmas. So yeah, I'm trying to find number 2. Oh, there it is. And the wrapping is so cute. I try to be careful because I love to save the wrapping. I have like all my boxes that I've gotten throughout the years saved. I know my husband calls me a pack rat. Okay, gonna put the wrapping paper right here. Okay, so looks like this is a glass cuticle remover. I have like no nails, so there we go. Okay, so this is it. It comes with like a little... Okay, so it's like green. So it's like tiny. So it's green, and then you know you can scrape all that dead skin, like your cuticle, and then push your cuticles. So that's the glass one. Really pretty. And it has like a green, like, well, like a turquoise blue. So like cover the box. So that's cool. Okay. All right. Oops. That's number 2. All right, number 3. Snowflakes twirled in perfect design, each one etched like a frozen sign. Their lacy forms in silver bloom sparkle beneath the winter moon. Okay. And number 3 is another stamping plate. And let's see, Maniology M639. I think I read you this one. This one was M638. Yes, M638. Okay, ooh, these are pretty. Okay, so it has like a lot of like ornaments and stuff and like stars, like snowflakes, I think. Yeah, and like looks like moons. So super cute. I think I'm gonna do like a snowflake look this year. Like an ice princess look. That'd be so pretty. So that's that plate. Alright, so we got number 4. In a cabin warm from winter's sting, she paused for care and nurturing. Soft freesia bloomed in a floral vase, a touch of spring in a frozen place. Okay, so this is going to be number 4. Where is number 4 at? Let's see, number 4. Oh. Okay, so, wow, they really wrapped this one up. Completely wrapped it. Oh, jeez Louise. Okay, I'm trying to not... I'm trying to, like, not destroy the packaging, but I might have to. I guess we'll... Okay. So we got some essential cuticle and nail oil. Okay, natural ingredients. This is say goodbye to dry cuticles and hello to intense moisture. Our essential cuticle and nail oil absorbs quickly to nourish and hydrate skin and nails. Formulated with a nourishing blend of botanical oils and rich vitamin-rich ingredients with natural oil, softens dry cuticles, restores moisture and promotes healthier looking nails over time. So our promise: soft and nourished cuticles and hands, strengthen and lengthen nails. Moisturize and revitalize for anti-aging skincare. To use, massage essential cuticle and nail oil into hand to nails and cuticles at least twice daily for best results. Can be applied as often as needed. Okay. Yeah. And, you know, since your girl is like allergic to everything, I am gonna have to either reach out to Maniology and ask them, or look on the website and ask them what their ingredients are, because it doesn't say on the box. Well, it doesn't smell. It almost smells like flowers. It smells like flowers. Okay, so that is number 4. Some cuticle. All right, so this is number 5. By silent lakes where icebergs rest, she found a polish, blue and blessed. It mirrored skies at twilight seem, a frozen dusk, an inky gleam. Okay. So number 5 is a polish. I can't stand when I rip it. Okay, so this one, oh, okay, the packaging is cute. Cute. Okay, so this one is Icy Sky B567. Icy Sky. It has like a shimmer to it. I just like to shake it. Get it all going. And I got my swatching stick right here. Let's see what this color is. Okay. Okay, so it's a very creamy blue, it seems like. So this is what I see. So it's like a very creamy blue. I thought it would like have like a shimmer to it, but it's still like it's very pretty. We're just gonna put that right there for now. So yeah, this is Icy Sky. Okay. So that is number 5. Sorry, I have so much crap. I think having a big, huge nail desk. I don't have more room. Okay, so this is number 6. She crossed a gate where silence grew and found a garden dressed in icy dew. Snowflakes bloomed on petals fair, a floral frost in frozen air. Okay. So that's number 6. Number 6 is another stamping plate. And okay, this is more like French tips and everything, and looks like maybe berries, that is. And okay, holly. Okay, well, okay, these are really cute. And then like they have like the French tips, so you could put and make French tips and stuff. You know, there's the holly. Okay. Alright, so that is, now we are on number 7. Sorry, I'm just trying to make room. Alright, from From drifting winds a message fell, a plate of wishes, warm and well, framed in joy and phrases bright, each stamped with cheer and holiday light. Okay, let's see, number 7. Okay, number 7 is another stamping plate. Oh, and this one was M637. And this one is M636. Okay, here's some more borders of, looks like Christmas trees, flowers, Christmas lights, presents and bows. Okay, hollies and doves. Oh, like reindeer. Ooh, this one's cute. Gingerbread and looks like gingerbread and candy canes, ornaments. And then you have like your sayings, ho ho ho, peace on earth, Merry Xmas, fa la la la, Holy Night, Holly Jolly, Noel, Let It Snow, Joy, Happy Holidays, Joy to the World, and Merry and Bright. So these are cute. Gosh, there's like just so many designs I would like to do. You see that? I like the Christmas lights ones. That one's cool. Okay, so yeah, that was number 7. All right, and then this is number 8, guys. Okay, a dust of starlight in her hand gave every nail a shimmered strand. She brushed the gleam in swirling flight. Now even shadows shimmered light. All right, so number 8 is, I don't know what number 8 is. Oh, I don't want to rip the pretty sticker. Let's try not to rip it. Oh, okay, what is number 8? Ooh, okay. Looks like we got some, let's see, ice crystals, it says. Oh, shit. I go and drop the applicator. Okay, so. Okay, got it. Okay. Okay, so, oh, okay. So this is called ice crystals. Ooh, these are really pretty. Are these like snowflakes? I think they look like snowflakes. I don't know if they're like black and like silver. You see that? Or maybe blue now that I see it on camera. So yeah, oh my gosh, these are so pretty. Let me see if I can. Oh, they're just like little specks. Okay, so this is pretty. Oh my gosh. So that's definitely number 8. That is so cute. Sorry, my nose itched. Okay. All right, this is number 9. Sorry, my nose itches. Crystal Peaks, kissed by snow, she found a stamper sealed below, clear and sharp, its icy hold, pressed winter's art in perfect bold. All right, let's see. Number 9. So this is number 9. Gosh. There's like... I'm trying to find an opening. They really want to make you work for opening these, huh? There we go. So this is exclusive, so I guess that means that you could only get it in this box. It says okay, so it comes with a scraper card, of course, with like snowflakes, a scraper card, and of course, okay, it's like a little square one, and then it's just snowflakes also, and for Maniology. Oh, it's really squishy. Okay, really cute. See through. All right, cute. Alright, so this is number 9, and now number 10. We have, in piney woods where silence grew, a gleam of green came into view. With every stroke her spirit sang, the forest echoed as branches rang. Okay. And okay, so this is going to be another stamping polish, I'm guessing. Okay. Okay, this is called Evergleam B565. Another swatching stick. Okay, it's like another like solid green. It's evergreen. It's a really pretty Christmas green. Okay. A pretty Christmas green. So it looks like there's like shimmer to it. So, okay, so that's number 10. And number 11. So the sky unfurled in purple streams, a curtain drawn on twilight dreams. She captured light with polish rare, a veil of glow upon the air. Okay, and so this is another stamping polish. Okay, and this is called Aurora Veil B566. Another stamping. We're almost to the end, guys. So these all look pretty much like solid colors, very opaque. So it's Aurora Veil. I'm just going to put that there. Is that, like I said, it looks shimmer, but it doesn't look like on camera though. So yeah, okay, that's number 11, and now in number 12. All right, so her journey ended, her tools in tow. She found a box where wonders go. Each plate, each polish, tucked inside a tale well told, a heart with pride. Okay, so I know what this could be. I'm gonna make you get all this, so. Exactly what I knew it was going to be. Okay. It's a little bent. Okay, this is cute. And so if you like want to do your nails, you can like get inspiration of like the design and stuff. Just a little foam. And of course there is the plastic. To put all your plates in, guys. So there we go. Okay, so this is the rest. It says to follow light where few dare. To follow light where few dare go, and find yourself in stars and snow. 12 gifts in hand, her journey done. She watched the gleam, now fully spun. With magic etched in every plate and polished dreams to decorate, she whispered thanks into the air for joy, for peace, for art to share. And they give you little inspirations. Holly Jolly, this one's called. So they give you little inspirations, little, if you want to do that look. And then, of course, they show you step by step on how to achieve that look. And then this one's called Snowy Magic. This one's pretty. Okay. Snowy Magic. And of course, they give you step by step. They don't do like step by step of like all the nails. You just give you one step by step. So the box of Mary products is it gives you like a list of, you know, just in case you know that you got everything, which I mean 12 of them. So one, you get the M638 Frozen Wonderland nail stamping plate, and this is what the stamping plates are called. Is Frozen Wonderland, the glass cuticle protector. So that's number 1. Number 2, glass cuticle protector. Number 3, M639 Snowy Magic nail stamping plate. Number 4, frosted freesia cuticle oil. That's what I smell, freesia. It's like a flower. Number 5, icy sky blue stamping polish. Number 6, M637 ice garden nail stamping plate. And number 7, M636 holiday greetings nail stamping plate. And number 8, ice crystals nail flakies. I knew they were flakies. Number 9, Snowy Magic Ice Cube Stamper. Number 10, Evergleam Green stamping polish. And number 11, Aurora Purple stamping polish. And number 12, Frozen Wonderland mini plate holder. And these are all box exclusives, it says at the bottom. Okay, I think this is where it goes. Okay. Alright, I won't be able to use the cuticle oil because freesia cuticle oil nurtures your nails with a drop of wintertime bloom infused with delicate fragrance of freesia. This nourishing cuticle oil is a bountiful blend of a sunflower seed, wheat german, avocado, and sweet almond oils. Yeah, I'm allergic to nuts, so yeah. Thanks, Maniology. Like, can you please get some cuticle oil that is very allergy friendly, please? So yeah, each chosen to hydrate, soften, and restore dry cuticles. Vitamin E delivers antioxidant support with a light emollient for a silky, non-greasy finish. Massage small into cuticle layer for a flourishing, stable, and healthy polished look even in the coldest months. So yeah, it does give the ingredients of sunflower seed oil, wheat germs, avocado oil, sweet almond oil, and glass cuticle pusher for best results. Soak fingers in warm water or treat with a few drops of moisturizer to soften the cuticle. On clean, unpolished nails, gently push back your cuticles. Always use very gentle motions with light pressure. the ice crystals nail flakies. Apply base polish and allow it to dry to a tacky finish. Dip a finger or a sponge into flakies jar and lightly tap or dab flakies onto your nail. Repeat step until the desired look is achieved. Apply a top coat to seal it all in. So they do tell you how to do it. And then, of course, you have this happy stamping, stamp, swatch, stamp, or jot down some notes. The rest is up to you. It's like that. So, okay, guys, like, I mean, that is the box. You know, I'm not fully impressed, you know, especially there's just that cuticle oil I can't use, you know, so that sucks. But yeah, I am gonna go off camera and I'm going to put second coats on these and label them. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I am back. All right, so I did get do the 3 swatches, or the second swatch, second coat, I mean, geez Louise, can't even speak. Okay, so this is the Evergleam. This is with the second coat. That is that one. And then this is the Icy Sky with the second coat. And this is the Aurora Veil with the second coat. So they're very solid. Okay, so all right, guys, well, that is it. I will be coming back on here for the November box, which is already shipped, and hopefully either next week or so. But I want to do my nails for fall, so maybe I will do a video. If you would like to see me do my fall nails, comment down below if you would like me to make a video of doing my fall nails. Or I might do a live. I haven't really done lives, maybe a couple. But yeah, maybe I'll do a live of doing my fall nails. But okay, guys, well, that is it. Thank you for coming to my channel. Stay safe and God bless, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. Bye. Love you guys. Bye.